Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we will discuss about printed notes versus handwritten notes. So many of you are confused between both of them, so today I will not suggest you, I will just tell you something that according to you, you can choose that what is the better option according to you. So I'll start from the starting. This will not be a long video. In short video I will try to convey everything whatever I wanna say. So start from the starting. So first of all, if you are in a first year, second year and third year student, then I will prefer, according to me, that you should make handwritten notes. And I will give you the reason also that why you should make handwritten notes, and when is the good time to borrow printed notes, or you can purchase printed notes. So if you are studying in first year, second year and third year, then you should prefer for handwritten notes. And if you are in fourth year, fifth year or sixth year, then if you are doing internship, but my MBBS is like 5 year only, so I'm in fourth year right now, and I have only one more year, like this is fourth year and next only one more year I have. So I am preferring for those students who are studying in fourth year and fifth year, they should prefer for printed notes. So I will tell you everything. So I'll start from the starting. First of all, if you are studying in first, second, third year, why should you make handwritten notes? So if you will make handwritten notes, first of all, that you have a lot of time. You have first year, second year, third year, fourth year and fifth year. 5 year is like a lot of time. You can prepare everything whatever you want with a lot of revision. But many of the students who all are going to abroad or anywhere else or studying in India, maximum students do not start their preparation from first year or second year. They usually start their preparation from third year, fourth year, or maybe from final year. But I will suggest that now from 2023 there will be next exam, and if you will start your preparation right from your first year, then that will be the good option and that will be the best strategy for you. So if you are studying in first year, second year and third year, start with your first year subject in your first year, then second year, then third year. According to what in your university teacher is teaching you, according to that start your course with whatever app or whatever book you are using. If you are using app, then well and good. If you are using books, then that is like awesome. Because if you will start your study from fourth or fifth year, then I do not think that you will have a lot of time to study notes as well as your books. And if you will study from first, second, third year, then first, second mostly, if you will start your study from first and second year, then you have a lot of time to study books also. You can study many things because you have a lot of time. That is why. So in first, second year, also you can include third year also, you can make notes because you can see everything, you can write everything. And what is the benefit of writing notes? Many of the students used to ask that what is the benefit of handwritten notes and what is the benefit of printed notes. So there is one benefit. You can think that if you have less time, then you can complete your course in less time. Like you can purchase printed notes, then you have like 1 year and you want to complete your course in your 1 year, then you can prefer for printed notes because in 1 year it is less time to write everything in your notes. So that is why you can purchase printed notes. But in handwritten notes you can write everything. Like from your first year, you are starting a preparation from your first year, then you can write anatomy, physiology and biochemistry with your hands. So you can able to remember everything, whatever point you have written, like you have written on the right page on the upper part, you have written anything, then you will remember that. That is why the handwritten notes are best, and the printed notes, just to save your time, printed notes are good. In my last year, I will tell you what I have done. I have not started like I was in first year and second year. I have not started my preparation from first or second year. I started like from my third year, you can say, because I purchased Prepladder in my third year. So in third year, I have not purchased any kind of printed notes. In whole my third year, I made written notes. I'll show you them, and in many previous videos also I have already showed you. So I made in one year, like my third year, I made whole written notes. But now I came in fourth year, and this year I purchased printed notes because I have only 2 years this year and next year I just have 2 years. That is why I purchased printed notes. I felt that the handwritten notes were too much time consuming for me because I just have 2 years, fourth and fifth year, and if I will continue like this only, then I will not able to complete my course. That is why I purchased printed notes. But I will suggest all of you who are studying first and second and third year, please go with your handwritten notes. And if you are in fourth and fifth year, then you can go with purchase notes. So guys, I hope you got it, whatever I am trying to say, whatever I am conveying my message to you, that because many of the Prepladder teachers who are teaching us, they also speak continuously that this point you should write there, this point you should write there, because if you will write, then that will be like a image based memory is very good for us, photogenic memory. So if you will write by your hand, then you will know that this page was where I written something, and in the exam you can recall that yeah, that was the right or left page where I have written this thing, and that was the thing I have written there. So that is why the good thing is that use or like make handwritten notes as much as you can. But if you can, then go with handwritten notes only. But you can't, you don't have time, and you want to complete your course, then you can go with printed notes. So guys, if you want to order printed notes, then you can order anytime from Prepladder, Marrow, or any app, whatever you are using, DAMS, Mist, etc. So guys, that was it, and I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, then make sure to subscribe my channel, and you can make sure to share this video. So guys, मिलते हैं कोई नए वीडियो में कोई नए टॉपिक के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, खुदा हाफिज़, दस